saying smile. You're stretching hands on your hips.
No, they've been there for a while. Yeah.
Introducing me. Would you like to meet me? Okay, here I am. Now, this is my right hand, and this is my left hand. Close my hands and open them and put them on my hips. This is my right knee, and this is my left knee. Bend my knees and straighten them, and now I'm going to kneel on them. This is my right elbow, this is my left elbow. Elbows in and elbows out, and now I get down on my tummy. And this is my right foot, this is my left foot. Shake my right foot, shake my left foot, as now I stand up and say it's me.